How's it going, everyone? So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of a hickey. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So I'm going to show you guys a workout or some exercises that you can do that will get rid of a hickey almost instantly. So we're going to do it at home. Now, what you need, this is very important. What you need is any sort of object will work basically, but the best objects are a coin, a spoon. Those are the best options. I'm pretty lazy, you guys. I don't want to go upstairs and grab a coin, so I'm going to use a pen. The coin will work the best, then the spoon, then even a pen will work. So how do we get rid of the hickey? What you're going to do is, to start off, a hickey is just a bruise, you guys. So to get rid of the hickey, all you have to do is create blood flow. That's all you have to do. Now people think, wow, how do we do that? You get the coin, the spoon, the pen, whatever, and you start rubbing your skin. This creates blood flow because you're rubbing it. Now what the blood flow is going to do is it's going to get rid of that hickey mark or that bruise mark. And then, and then you are no longer going to have a hickey. It's literally as simple as that, but people still don't know how to get rid of a hickey. I've been doing a few hickey videos already and people love the advice. People keep asking me though to make more and more videos on the hickey, so that's why I'm making another video right now just to kind of help you guys out a little bit more. So we'll get started right now, you guys. I'll show you guys what you can do. So just get your coin, your spoon, and then let's say the hickey's on my neck. Let's just rub for about 30 seconds. So again, just keep rubbing. Now this might be a little bit of a boring video, but this will show you 100% how to get rid of the hickey. Guaranteed, 100% works every time for every single person. Now you're gonna take a 30-second break. So don't do anything for 30 seconds, you guys. Allow that to recover a little bit, and then after that you're going to do it again. Here's the thing, you guys, it's going to be red. People complain all the time. They're like, wow, it's red, you made it worse. Why did you do that, Dylan? It's gonna be red, trust me. If it's not red, you're not doing it right. It should be red. The area around it should be red. So we'll go again. So again, just keep rubbing, you guys, keep going. You can even do this for a minute, so we can do a minute this time. You don't have to do it for 30 seconds, just do it for a minute and keep going, keep rubbing. Followed by a 30-second break. Then we're going to do it for another minute. And we're going to keep doing this, you guys. Video, we'll see how long it gets, but I'm not going to make it too long. But I want to show you guys step by step how to actually do it. So your neck, you see my neck, it's getting red. It should be red. If it's not red, you're not doing it correctly. Now people will tell me, they're like, wow, my neck is super red, Dylan. What did you do to it? Again, that's how it should be, and if you're doing it correctly, then that's what should happen. It's not making the area around it could be red as well too, which is perfectly fine. What you guys have to realize is that after about 10-15 minutes, the redness will go away, and so will the hickey. It will also go away, and you will no longer have a hickey anymore. Simple as that. So let's keep going, you guys. take a little bit of a break, then we'll keep doing it. Again, some people may think this is a little bit boring, but if you want to get rid of your hickey, this is what it takes. Trust me on this. This is what it takes. This can be done. Again, I am talking when I am doing this. I'm explaining as I go. If you literally do this non-stop for about 5 minutes, then your hickey will be gone instantly. I like to talk though. I like to take a little bit of breaks. Taking the breaks, the 30-second breaks, doing it for about a minute, it should be gone in about 10 minutes or so. If you do this just non-stop straight for about 5 minutes, then it will be gone too as well. But I just find sitting there for 5 minutes doing that is so boring. It's good to break it up into little bits, little like 30-second breaks. It just makes it a little bit more doable to actually do, in my opinion. So that's why I like to do those little bit of breaks. But again, we will keep going. So another minute, and you can see it is getting red. Okay, take a 30-second break, you guys, and then we will do it one more time. So we'll do it again, you guys. Last time, and then it will be done. So again, keep rubbing, you guys, last time, and then we are done. So if you guys have made it this far, great job. Just keep doing it. Okay, you guys, as simple as that. That's what I recommend doing. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.